Ever grabbed a quick chai, had a warm bowl of comfort food, or tossed a snack into your bag without thinking twice? Chances are it's from Tata Consumer Products, a company that's quietly become part of your everyday in more ways than you might imagine. Today, it is one of India's most loved consumer brands. But how did this story begin? Let's rewind the clock and discover the journey of Tata Consumer Products, a story that started over 6 decades ago. The journey began in 1962 with Tata Finlay packing and exporting tea to the world. By 1976, Tata Group had fully acquired the business, building a legacy from Assam to Kerala, Tamil Nadu to West Bengal. Tata Tea was born in the early 80s, and by 1985, it changed the way India drank tea by introducing polypacks. Another milestone in the 80s was the launch of Tata Salt, India's first iodized branded salt, a significant step forward for the nation's packaged food market. Then came the game changer. In 2000, the Tata Group grabbed headlines by buying Tetley and became the second largest tea company in the world. The new decade saw many new Indian and international acquisitions, helping Tata Group go from just India to proudly global. And through all that growth emerged a new identity. Tata Tea became Tata Global Beverages, setting the stage for new exciting partnerships. As India's tastes evolved, so did the company. In 2012, Tata Global Beverages brought Starbucks to India. This breakthrough move completely disrupted the market. From the first sip to the last selfie, Starbucks became the new hangout spot. In 2020, a major business consolidation of food and beverages happened within the Tata Group, which led to the start of Tata Consumer Products. Tata Sampann and Tata Soulful became household names, while acquisitions like Ching's and Organic India added spice and soul to the portfolio. Between 2020 and 2025, Tata Consumer Products transformed into a powerhouse of innovation, growth, and purpose. And did you know, over the last 5 years, Tata Consumer Products has launched 150 new products? The story was about redefining everyday essentials from tea and coffee to salt, pulses, and wellness foods. The numbers told a story of unstoppable momentum. But growth wasn't just financial. It was about uplifting communities, protecting nature, and building a sustainable future. Tata Consumer Products made bold strides in sustainability. It ensured positive eco-footprint by becoming water positive, meeting more than half of its total energy needs through green sources, making over 70% of its global packaging recyclable, and committing to achieve zero waste to landfill across operations. So yes, it began with tea. But today, Tata Consumer is so much more. From tradition to transformation, from local shelves to global impact, Tata Consumer Products isn't just keeping up with India's evolving tastes, it's leading them. And the journey, it's only just begun.